sister.
Hey, where are you?
The airport, that's bored. We're gonna make it.
That's great.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Harrison. I just wanted to tell you one last time that I love you.
I love you too.
I want you to remember that every single day until I see you again. Daddy loves you.
Okay. Bye.
Hey, how about we go get some ice cream, yeah?
Okay.